Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable and disable the video stabilization on GoPro Hero 13. So in order to do so, we need to first switch to the Pro controls, swipe from the top towards the bottom in order to open this menu, then go to the next page and choose controls. Over here, swipe up on the slider in order to switch to Pro. Tap anywhere in order to close it, and then from the bottom towards the top. And now over here on the left side you will have this icon. You can tap on it in order to open the HyperSmooth option, which is set on by default and provides video stabilization. You can also move it down in order to turn off video stabilization, and you can also move it all the way up in order to enable the auto boost, which enables maximum video stabilization with dynamic cropping. And dynamic cropping takes effect after capture and cannot be seen in the live view on the screen. If for some reason you don't have this shortcut, you can also tap on this icon in the bottom right corner in order to open the settings. And then here, if you scroll down, you will find HyperSmooth section as well, where you can turn it off, on, or set it to auto boost. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!